Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D's News Time, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, I got some news for you guys today. Una know say the insecurity when they Nigeria there. No be small thing. Every day we keep on talking about this Boko Haram and this herdsmen problem with the farmers in Nigeria. When we see a whole federal government, they're not fit defeat Boko Haram nor herdsmen. Everything when they just did that they talk now to promise. We go defeat Boko Haram, we go defeat herdsmen every day. Police did there, they arrest EFCC did there, they arrest innocent Nigerians, including the police. They just did there. They arrest people when they're not supposed to arrest. The areas when problem day in that country, then they run, leave the areas. Then they run for the criminals. And they go come and they tell us, see, then they walk. Which walk? Police, they walk in that country. Which walk? Army, they walk. Which walk? EFCC, they walk. We don't know whether or not they walk. Una not they walk. Una not they try. Government, politicians, not they try. All of una, na zero. Funky D, they give all of una. Zero. Now, then say get some bandits. This one happened yesterday. Some bandits when be herdsmen, and then they do all these things. And the Boko Haram, when I hear bandits, we know say that Boko Haram and herdsmen, all the kidnappers, all the ISWAP, these people, now them be the bandits. So they say the bandit they invade one local government in Katsina State, gonna kill 34 people. Oh my God. 34 people on Tuesday. Where the police and the army dey, and after this police and army, they go to come and they tell us say they carry Okada, say that they drive Okada, they in group. They see them, because if they not see them, they're not going to tell us say they carry Okada. If they not see them, they're not going to tell us say they carry gun or they carry pickup truck, they take the patrol and they there. Ladies and gentlemen, waiting these people they do, then they there, they look, they watch the film, how Boko Haram or herdsmen won't kill and they burn down their houses. Now the thing where they watch, just like movie where you go cinema now the thing when police and army then they go do for in Katsina or Zamfara and all these areas when all these things they happen, because now then they there, now then they witness and they tell us say they carry they see them, they carry Okada, they walk up and they run up and down in group. And you see them, you not do anything. You they come out, they contest civilians, say you see them with Ikeke or Okada or pickup truck, and you no go do them anything. And you want make civilians come they fight them. So waiting can make you dey there. Just like this you breathe dey there when the man not they do anything. They lie to people say in travel to Saudi Arabia, including this one they call Bola Tinubu. Now so all of them they lie. Say them travel go Saudi Arabia. Okay, wait, ask me now, waiting Tinubu, somebody like Tinubu now, go do in Saudi Arabia a day before Jubri come back to Nigeria. He said and go discuss how peace go take reign in Nigeria and all that. Now Saudi Arabia they discuss what they discuss. So Nigeria not come reach you now to discuss waiting why you discussion when they discuss. Now the thing when we hear, now the news they tell us all this and say Tinubu still go Saudi Arabia, go meet Jubri, why herdsmen and Boko Haram take over the country. But we don't know because we see they hear some people, because some people see they talk say Buhari not travel. We don't know what to believe in these people again. Some people they say they might not travel. But then they let the Nigerian people know say them travel. So you understand? So waiting with the talk be say these herdsmen and Boko Haram when they kill innocent Nigerian people, when the government will fight back, which time the government will take fight back, and then say these people not be only one village and do this thing, no, ladies and gentlemen, then do this, do this killing in I think about 4 to 5 different villages when they do this thing. Okay, they say in Yagunji, then kill 18. In Batsari, local government, then kill 5. In Mara Zamfara, in Dumusa, local government, then kill 11. And in Sabon Leyi village, Faskiri, local government area. Now all these places when they hear now him, these bandits go kill 34 innocent Nigerian people. And the Nigerian government did that. They lie to people, say they won't do this, they won't do that, they won't do this, they won't do that. So not only that one happened, ladies and gentlemen, you get the one now when happened in Kogi State. In Kogi State, that one, no be small thing. They said the governor of Kogi State, what they call Yahaya Bello threatened to sack local government bosses, traditional rulers, over killing of 15 herdsmen in Kogi State. This one now, they say, according to the news, ladies and gentlemen, now 15 people, 15 herdsmen, when we say that they terrorize the area, that they terrorize Kogi State every now and then. Now him, I think the people, the village people, they can't organize, can't go kill 15 of them. So now, as make una see how all these governors, when we say, just like what happened to corruption, I go see happen to this Yahaya Bello. This one are my prediction, and they don't think when they don't set for the Yahaya Bello. When they want make it favor them, then go begin support the government. In fact, then they support the government. I mean the Buhari now, because I know say Buhari na herdsman himself, and their boss, herdsman boss, now be that Buhari. Then people they kill, this herdsmen they kill people in Kogi State when Yahaya Bello come from. Every now and then. Of recent, they just manage to kill 15 herdsmen people when they terrorize the country, the state. As they kill these 15 people, Yahaya Bello come begin threatening some people when we see like the local government bosses and all these people, when we see traditional rulers and all that, they tell them, say, ain't go sack them, make them go find the group of people, the group of men from Kogi State, when kill these Hausa Lamajiri people in Kogi State. Because they kill only 50, only. Now, make I put them only. Because if they tell you the amount of people when these herdsmen don't kill in this Kogi State, you know if you count them. Now, they kill 15 people. Yahaya Bello won't be governor because he won re-election, he won Buhari support, he won Hausa people support, he won Fulani support. Now, he don't attack his people. So he make him people go find the guys when kill these 15 herdsmen. You get? Like say these guys now when we say that they work in the local government and all this thing when in the threatening saying one sack and the traditional rulers, like say them be police. Like say now them be police when go find out this the people when you say make them go fish them out. People when kill the herdsmen people. But herdsmen did that, they kill them in millions. Since Yaya Bello never shake body one day, say, make them go find the herdsmen people when kill their people. Funky D say herdsmen they slaughter men and women of Kogi State in thousands. Yaya Bello never speak out one day. Say, make them go fish out the herdsmen people when kill in people. But now, then kill herdsmen, 15 of the herdsmen in the village, terrorizing them. Yaya Bello, because they be northern people, Yaya Bello begin support them, say, make his own people, the traditional rulers, and the local government bosses, make them go find out the people when kill the herdsmen. Otherwise, then go lose their job. Say he must bring them to book. He must make sure say them face the law. But when herdsmen they kill them, Yaya Bello never one day say make them go find the herdsmen people. He never react like this before. But because say now Hausa people, Fulani Buhari people, because the man want make it upon the corruption cases when they dance inside. He still want make him people vote for him. He still want make Buhari support him. So now no say if Buhari support you, now be say you don't win. Now the election what they do with that. Once Buhari say go ahead, nobody go win you. And the no election. That's so it work in Nigeria. Now, this man want Buhari support in the attacking people, make them go find herdsmen. Making people go find out the men when kill the herdsmen. The people when kill the herdsmen people. But when herdsmen they killing people, they might not speak. What is all this kind of injustice in Nigeria? What is all this kind of injustice in Nigeria, ladies and gentlemen? Look at this man when we say he don't. They say this one there among people when don't commission bridge. You know say in Nigeria then they commission bridge, then they commission tree, then they commission toilet. Then they commission bedroom, then they commission electric pole, one electric pole, then they commission one bicycle, maybe a politician buy a bicycle, dash one man or one woman, they go commission them. Not when they commission in Nigeria. Then they commission dustbin in Nigeria. So this man don't commission bridge when they not see where in day. Too much money when run into billions when they carry give them to execute the job. The man chucking the money. Not only that. Many evil things did this man hand. In fact, as the man did, he get problem with APC. Maybe that is why they support this herdsmen people, so that Buhari go tell and say, welcome back. Because he don't claim say him na Buhari's son. First of all, my question to Yaya Bello, these people when they work in all these bosses when they talk, when they work in local government, when they threaten, say you go sack them. The traditional rulers, when they threaten, say you go sack them. My question to you be say, these people, are they policemen? When supposed to find this the people when kill the herdsmen people? Are they policemen when we say, I be them be EFCC boss? I be them be army people when supposed to find out or investigate people when kill these 15 herdsmen? If at all, you won't find the people when kill them. When did they kill your people, when be your own people in Kogi State there? Because in last year, even last month, they kill a lot of people from Kogi State. We not hear Yaya Bello voice. We not hear Yaya Bello voice. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know see things when they happen to Dino Malaye in that Nigeria, many things when they happen with Dino Malaye, because Dino Malaye himself still come from Kogi State. Ladies and gentlemen, but we're not here to praise Dino Malaye. But I just they talk say things when they happen to Dino Malaye. Now this man, what they call Yaya Bello, when be the governor of the state. If you not remember, now him with the Dino Malaye, now then the Quanta Sins. And the man when be Yaya Bello in the use federal might to the chase Dino Malaye up and down. To the disturb Dino Malaye. Many cases when Dino Malaye get with federal government. Now this this fake governor now. Although Dino Malaye himself na fake man. Because all of them corrupt. That one day that they shout my president in Senate House. My president. When I don't know the meaning of my president, when they call my president for. And then they talk, say Nigeria, then go hunger. Nigeria money, this one, that one. Every time, Dino Malai they disturb our ear. Why Dino Malai not fit tell people say, why not if he tell the senator say the money when they receive, they too much. We not see what that man get. Where he get all those money as a senator? And some people go come out in social media, they tell Funky D say Dino Malai is a good man. Dino Malai is not a good man, he's a corrupt man. All of them. But I just they bring out the issue of Dino Malai because of this man, because two of them, they Quanta, and two of them come from the same state. Because everything when they happen in that federal government, all of them when they there, when be senators, they know that they keep on hiding it because they are the one benefiting from it. And somebody will come and tell me, say, Dino Malai is a good man. Which good man? They are all corrupt. Seriously corrupt. You understand? So, the issue be say, these people, when they call this man will be Governor Bello, he give these people 7 good days. 7 good days. Now he give them 7 days ultimatum. Make these people go find out the perpetrators according to the way where they put them. People when kill the herdsmen people. Give all this the traditional rulers and the local government chairmen and the bosses and all that 7 days ultimatum. Make them go find out. Make them just otherwise if they not find them out or fish them out. The people when kill the herdsmen. Now we say all these people, he go sack all of them from their working from where they work. So my question to this man be say, these local government chairmen and bosses, I know they support anybody because I not belong to any political party, and they're not worth to be supported. These people, when be Nigerian politicians, I know they support even one of them. Either you be APC or you be PDP. Now one thing when all of them be, I not get any single support, I not get any single respect for now. So the matter be say, this guy, now police supposed to find the people when kill the herdsmen people. And Yaya Bello, when herdsmen they slaughter your people, even last 2 months, years back, then they kill them, they come. You never say a word. So that is why I tell you, say, they thing make you wait because you know, say, that place where you fight for, you know, say, you don't fail. Even your people don't tell you, say, you don't fail. You won't be Governor Yaya Bello. Your people don't tell you, say, you will not go anywhere again. So, make you prepare. Even APC people, they don't tell you this thing. Because you know, say, you get serious problem with APC people. Make you wait the thing when they happen to Okorocha. While they tell them about this Okorocha, they tell them, say, Okorocha will get serious problem. And EFCC, police, or say Banjo, Jubri, aka Buhari, or whatever you may call that man. All them, Bola Tinubu, Oshomole, I tell them, I say, I tell Okorocha, make you wait for them. Now, they are really coming. EFCC now, they don't confirm them. Now, the same thing why they tell this Yaya Bello, make you wait. Your time is coming. Just like Okorocha, go the land from where your own day. Because all of on our hand, stained with the blood of innocent Nigerian people. Funky D, ladies and gentlemen. When I hear, I will stop this program. Alright? So if you know, say you never subscribe to Funky D before, make sure say you begin subscribe to Funky D right now. You know, say you never comment on this matter, this Yaya Bello matter, and the issue of these people where they call the herdsmen, where they don't kill everybody when they that country where they call Obodo Nigeria. If you get anything when you won't talk, any matter when you want yarn, make you the yarn on my comment section. Funky D day here. They wait for your yarnings. And again, if you know, so you never press that button, make you hit that bell sign, one touch, so that anytime when Funky D upload, you go begin to enjoy Funky D shows. One touch. Thank you, everybody, and God bless you. See you next time. Funky D. Wow. Bye.